chicken.
Hearts. Delicious.
Not my cup of tea, but I did try them when they were done, and they did taste good.
I like exotic food.
Yeah, I think I would like it more if I didn't know what it was.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what do we got here? We got vegetables.
Uh-huh. I will put in the description box so you can check it out. How much?
So those would be the hearts right
Yes,
there.
yeah, that's 2 pounds.
2 pounds of chicken hearts.
And it's all for me.
Yeah.
Because you
I
don't
ate a
eat
little
it.
bit. I had maybe a heart.
So first, I'm gonna boil the chicken hearts for 10 minutes.
Gotta boil them hearts for about 10 minutes.
But I heated up the water so it not takes too long. So just wait that till boil.
Wait,
And
okay, so how long? 2 minutes you said?
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Yeah.
10 minutes.
Then while waiting for the chicken hearts to boil, cut the vegetables. Chop. What do you call it? Chop.
Dice, chop, slice,
Just chop.
chop. Okay.
Yeah.
Chop the onions up. How much was that? A half an onion?
Yeah, half of
Okay, half an onion, and then dice up the
carrots.
dice up the red pepper.
Uh-huh.
Don't dice up your fingers.
No.
Don't do that.
Or else.
Julienne, and then dice. Nice.
It feels more exotic if you add up your fingers. So I have the jalapeno.
Ooh, that was jalapeno.
I removed the seeds, so not too spicy. So.
Yeah. Yeah, it wasn't too spicy. It was pretty good. Okay, so you're dicing up. Basically, you're dicing up all the vegetables.
Yes.
So you're dicing up this tomato. It looks like Roma tomatoes.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Okay. You can use any kind of tomato, though, I assume.
I usually recommend the soft one.
Okay. And that is ginger.
Ginger.
Okay, so you shredded some ginger, and then you diced it up a little bit more.
Now
And what are we looking
hearts,
at here? Those are the hearts.
After
Okay.
10 minutes. And
So you just
dice it up.
break those hearts, baby. Just break them up.
Quarter.
You're a heartbreaker.
No, not for you.
All right, so we got the frying pan. Is that a pan or a pot? Let's see.
Frying pan, like semi-frying pan.
Okay, frying pan. You got the frying pan out. Of course, here we are with the oil. And
Heated up the
what kind of
oil.
oil are you using today?
I use the vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil, and is that smoked paprika?
No, that's another seeds. It's for color, adding.
Oh, okay. I don't know what that is.
It's achwete in Tagalog.
It's what?
Achwete
Oh,
in Tagalog.
It's sweating?
Achwete. No. That's
All right,
a
so
powder.
you
another.
stir it up on the bottom, and that. Okay, so what does that taste like? Is that just oil and coloring? There's not
just
really
for
any flavor.
color.
Okay,
There's no taste at all.
I see. All right, so then we got the onions. Got a little purple onion.
And continuing until translucent.
You're gonna saute.
Saute that until translucent.
It's hard to believe that stuff doesn't taste like anything, but
Now you add the onion taste. Good.
right.
And now.
It looks spicy, but it's not, right? Yet.
No, not yet.
Okay, that was the ginger.
Ginger and minced garlic.
Ginger and minced garlic. Awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the minced garlic.
Continue saute until smell the fragrant. Smell
Yeah.
good.
Do you like ginger more or garlic? What do you prefer?
Both depends on the
Depends on the-
recipe.
Okay.
But I like the combination of onion, garlic, and ginger. It
Nice.
smells so good.
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes. Now we're gonna saute that until they're tomatoes soft.
Get a little bit soft.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Just
What was the name of it? Sweaty? What was it called? The red stuff?
Oh, there's achwete. Achwete.
You're sweaty?
No. Come on. He's making funny stuff.
No, I'm not. I'm just having fun. All right. So here we are. What do we got here? That must
just
be
add
a
up
little extra water or oil?
Extra
What is
water
that?
just to avoid the burn of
Gotcha. All right.
tomato.
Okay.
Often mix often the tomato.
A little more water, or is it vodka?
This water.
Okay.
No alcohol in
No alcohol in this one. The last one you made had some beer in it, so you never know. Joe Bell might throw a little bit of alcohol in there. You never know. Anyway, it was water.
Mm-hmm.
So to keep the tomato from burning, and the water kind of evaporates, and you're
Yeah.
left with this nice,
Totally soft
yeah.
tomato, and we're gonna add the heart, chopped
Okay, there
heart.
goes the hearts. It looks like chocolate
Uh-uh.
chips, but they're hearts. All right, so we got some chicken hearts. We're gonna mix those up. And how many? Okay, so that's 3 pounds of chicken hearts.
No, that's 2 pounds.
Oh, 2 pounds of chicken hearts.
2 pounds only.
Mix it in there with the tomatoes and the onions and the
Mm-hmm.
sweaty and
Just like that, mix it up,
garlic and
and
ginger, all that
yeah.
stuff.
I'm gonna add a
Couple bay leaves.
bay leaves,
Hmm.
to avoid the smelly of the.
We should grow our own bay leaves. We should.
I don't know if do you think it's growing here in Texas?
I don't know. Could try.
I'm not sure.
We're gonna try. We'll report back whether or not we get our own bay leaves.
All right, add up some soy sauce.
Soy sauce. I love soy sauce. Not, my daughters don't like soy sauce. Isn't that
Yeah.
strange?
I don't
I
know.
thought everybody
why
likes soy sauce.
she
It's
don't
like
like it,
it's
but-
the Asian salt, right?
Yeah, but that's her thing.
Yeah.
You know.
Okay, so a little
She
bit of
don't
soy
like-
sauce, and is this water
it's
again?
water.
Okay.
We're gonna add, but we're not gonna cook a soupy dish. Just
Gotta be kind of thick.
keep, yeah,
Yeah.
not thick. Just I don't know, just
Right.
give moisture
Right.
our
Nothing
dish.
runny. You don't want it runny.
No, not runny.
Okay. Now what we got here?
Chili oil.
Chili oil.
Yeah, I'd rather to use the chili oil.
A little.
instead of
Is
chili.
it spicy?
Not too spicy than the chili pepper. Just,
The chili pepper is more spicy.
Yeah, that's more. Just
Okay.
kind of give some kick. So I cover up and simmer that for 10 minutes.
10 minutes of simmer time.
Mhm.
Simmer time.
Yes. So we're gonna wait that, and
And
after 10 minutes,
you take it
ooh,
off, and boom, baby.
boiling, like simmer.
So this would
Yeah.
this would probably, what is that? Water?
This vinegar,
Vinegar.
rice wine vinegar.
Oh my goodness.
So we're gonna simmer that for 5 minutes. Don't mix.
Don't mix.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now it's,
Don't mix the wine vinegar stuff
yeah,
in.
with
Just
the
kind of let
other
it simmer.
rice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Carrots.
Now after 5 minutes,
I thought we were done.
add the vegetables. Get carrots and red and green bell pepper.
Where's the
Oh.
jalapeno? Is the jalapeno in there too?
Red pepper, bell pepper, and jalapeno.
Gotcha.
Mhm.
All right. That's water.
Just water.
Okay. So we're gonna
Stir.
stir everything in, and
Stir.
is it gonna simmer for a little while until it gets soft, or
And-
you keep adding a little bit of water? Make
No, I'm gonna. After that, I'm gonna add the black pepper, or crushed peppercorn, and then simmer for like 3 minutes.
yeah.
Just
Okay.
mix it up, and we'll cover for 3 minutes again.
I bet you this would be good in like a tortilla.
Um, Usually you can make everything, but
You can put it
we
in a tortilla,
we
but no?
cook that with rice,
Rice, yeah.
white rice, fried rice.
That sounds good.
Mhm.
All right, so you cover and simmer again,
But
and you come back about what, 6 hours later?
no, 3 minutes.
How
Just
many minutes?
3 minutes.
3 minutes. Not quite 6 hours.
So,
Okay.
yeah.
And I wish you guys could smell this, because when she was making it, it really smelled good.
Yeah. Smell Bopis. We call
Whoa.
it Bopis.
Bopis.
Bopis. Heart, chicken heart, Bopis. Oh, look at that. I just mix it up a little bit before I turn off
So that's about
the
the
heat.
that's like the consistency you want right there. You don't
Yes.
want it to be too runny. Not too
No,
much water.
I don't like soupy dish.
What are you sprinkling in there? Was that some more
Just
salt and pepper?
crushed pepper.
crushed pepper? So a little
Peppercorn.
more spice. No, crushed
Peppercorn.
peppercorn. Oh, I'm sorry.
I don't add some. I don't
No
add
cayenne
salt
or anything like
because
that.
no, because
More,
soy sauce.
what was that?
It's a chili oil. 'Cause,
more chili oil.
I taste off cam. Need more
Ah,
spiciness.
Constantly testing, making sure it tastes delicious.
Usually Bopis is very spicy because
Yeah.
some people eat that with beer, like combination with
Ah,
like.
that would be good. Spicy
Yeah.
food and beer.
All right,
Nothing
turn
wrong
off
with
the
that.
heat and ready to serve.
All right, and we got a bowl here,
Mhm.
and here it comes.
Mhm.
So if you
Smells
like
so
chicken
good.
hearts, this is a delicious bowl. I used to eat
This is
chicken
for
hearts
you.
when I was a kid.
Yeah.
My mom used to make gizzards and gizzards and liver and chicken hearts.
Ah. No.
And I used to like it. So I did try this, and it is delicious. So if you're into the chicken heart thing,
Your dad and
you should try this.
John. Your mom
Don't
is
forget to
good.
subscribe, right?
Yeah. Bye.